Hello everyone. Now, there are many strategies to start with when you play, but I'd like to show you how to begin and start, and this strategy that I use. And it is something that I won many multiplayer battles with, and I saw that basically every high-level player uses a similar strategy. So I will try in single player so that you can see. Let's go like this, and let's pick here, for example. Now, at the beginning, you want to be basically alone with a large amount of territory around you, and the first thing you have to do is to attack with like 100 guys or something, and wait, because you get a lot of resources with interest, and when you arrive at around 6, you attack with half of your resources. And by this point, as you see, you have a lot of resources, you have plenty of territory, and you can attack by using a simple strategy of around 15, 20, 25%, not more than that. So you will be able to keep a lot of resources and grow a lot with interest and still be growing a little bit with territory. I found that this is the best balance that there is, and you can keep attacking the guys around you with always 15-20%. That's really the most reasonable strategy. Now, in certain situations, I found myself that I was maybe lacking a little bit of growth. There are some guys that are strong, and for example, like now, I wanted to be able to grow a lot, and I attack with a lot of resources, more than 15-20%, but I also see around that there are no guys with lots of resources. This can be very tricky in multiplayer, because sometimes when they see that you attack with a lot, you have many players around you attacking all at the same time, and so they will be able to just grind you down. Even if you are the strongest, they will be able to grind you down because all of them are attacking you at the same time and they are not attacking each other. So that is it. Like right now I am like 5th, 6th, 7th, but the other guy started from there and has less resources than me, so I am really well positioned for winning. I can continue, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna win, but this was just a small tutorial to show you how you can start and see. One of the things that I suggest is to, especially at the beginning, the really early start, make a couple of attempts and starting in a single player, and once it works, you can go on multiplayer, because in multiplayer they will probably destroy you if you don't start well. And that is it. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, and the usual stuff. Bye bye.